is Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use and connect your iPad as a second screen for your Mac or even your Windows PC. So you can see I have this connected right here, and what I want to do is get something called Splashtop X Wired Display or whatever. I'll show you how to get this real quick, and this just pops up just like that. And what I want to do is go on over to my computer first, because it might take like 2 or 3 minutes to install. And just go to google.com, type in Splashtop Wired XDisplay. Go to the first link, splashtop.com. Download it for Mac, download it for Windows, whatever one you're on. And this is what it's going to look like when you open it up now. And you can set the resolution, but I think one of them might be like a premium or paid version. Now I'm going to disconnect this. Okay. And I'm going to close down this app. Go on over to the App Store and get this application now. Splashtop Wired XDisplay. Open it on your computer. Open it on your iPad. And when you plug in your iPad, make sure you press trust when you plug it in. So connect this with a wire to your PC, and then it should just work right away. So it might take a second to kick in, and there we go. There's the display. So you can see these are duplicate displays. I want to extend it. So let's zoom in, and then go to Settings. System Settings here. Go to Display under System. We want to extend these displays, not duplicate them. Choose your iPad. Then going down, you can change the scaling for the screen. You can change the resolution. You can flip it from portrait to landscape. Oh boy, I didn't mean to do that. But you can see it's the long way now on my iPad. So this should revert in like 3 seconds, so I should be able to find it. Uh-oh, I went to keep changes. But that is fine, I can just switch it over because I can see it on my iPad. So let's keep changes. And then you can go to Advanced Display and change the refresh rate under here too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.